Everybody wave. Hey, go straight far back. Hey! Nina!
Die!
Oh my God.
Die!
On our way to New York to go see the Christmas tree.
You want to sit back, alright?
Die! Die!
With the whole tribe.
I'm going to die. No. Die. I know.
That's what I'm talking about.
What up?
Tired, Mom.
Pass it down.
Nina, sit down. Captain in the cabin, secure everyone's seatbelt in.
Guys, sit down.
Everybody.
Oh my God. Die. Daddy.
Daddy is all the way up there in the front, Mama.
He's supposed to.
It is. Our first snow this year.
Yeah, we want that. He said, I want that creamy. I always get complimented on my form when I'm out here. Oh, Nick? I said Nick. Tell me you need me to smile. Yeah, that one you gotta discipline. That one's the one I gotta talk to all the time. Yeah.
Jeez, Mama. Aww. Oh, goodness. She just smiled. Our first stop at McDonald's to use the bathroom, and look how much it's snowing out here. Till next time. We made it home. We made it to New York safe.
Who's drinking a decent runner?
Made it to New York safe. Thank God. Thank the Lord. Made it to New York safe, right? What you drinking? Hot chocolate?
I'm making the snowball.
Made it here safe to New York, and it's still snowing. Thank the Lord.
Look at this.
Look at that big snowboard.
Don't you dare! You're coming down with me to do that.
Nico, quiero ver. Nina, watch it.
What?
Did he say he's gonna move it? Oh, okay.
Ready?
The big giant van.
Finish.
Look at that. All clear.
All clear. Door's locked.
We're here in my mom's house park right now. It's kind of a little chilly, but we made it safe here to New York.
My boots.
Hey, put your hood on. Analia, put your hood on. Don't let the snow wet your hair. Nila, wait. Nila, no, Mama.
Delania, come on.
Ooh, it's chilly a little bit.
FaceTime.
We had to go outside because it's almost a fire in the stove and stuff. Fire trucks is coming here and that. Stuff. I'll wait till they tell us if it's all right.
Me too.
I'm not just gonna go inside
I'm
there.
not trusting anybody except the firefighter.
It's the first floor because the stove. The stove is like really bad. Somebody burned a whole stove on the first floor. when we go to New York. We come to New York for this.
No, we go to New York to have fun, and this is what happens to us. Yeah, crazy New York. This happened. This Christmas is weird. Someone needs to know how to take control from the snow.
Yeah.
Like seriously.
Is it safe? Let's see. We went back in the building. Ah, Mama, over here, this way. Over here. It was in the first floor of the stove. Somebody burned the whole stove. This is what happens when you go to New York.
Sit down.
Nikki, dance.
Nico, dance. Baila. Baila.
Go dance with Wella.
Baila.
Go dance with Wella.
Baila. 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 Woo. Baila. 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 Sit.
Go dance.
Baila. Let's go baila.
Mama, be careful with her that she don't get hurt in that floor. The floor is cold. The floor is cold, Mama, so don't put her on the floor.
No fighting. Balla, balla, balla. Yeah. All right.
Salieron como tú, eso.
That's right. There's all three of those.
Le gusta bailar.
Lina and the other Lina, they both and the little one too.
Okay, I know that music.
Come on, Wella wants you to dance. She said another one. Baila. Baila.
Especially this one over there.
Nini, Wella wants you to dance. That's Wella.
Baila.
Nikki dances. Nikki goes to champion. Nikki goes to contest dance. Her son.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he does the Michael Jackson dance on the thing competition. Yeah, he does how to do it good too. Nikki, go dance. Go show Wella that you know how to dance. Go on, show Wella that you dance. Go on, Nikki, dance. Look.
Hit it.
Go on, Nikki.
Baila. 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 Hit it.
Nico, baila.
Baila.
Nico, baila.
Baila. Baila. Great grandma. Baila. Hit it. Hey, look who's doing what. She's going over here like this.
Go on, Nikki.
Yeah. Go on,
Nikki, dance.
Go.
Go on.
Baila. Baila.
Careful, Mama, okay? Kids are having a good time with their great grandma. Come on, Nikki, show them what you got. Show them the Michael Jackson. They go. No more dancing. No more. No more.
The great grandmother still rocking. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
No more, huh? I guess the kids got tired dancing. Grandma won. Great grandma.
You got a roommate, coming when there's no one there. Put the key under the bed.
What happened? She's not dancing? Why? He outbeat you? No, I'm tired.
I can't take it.
Drag. Alex dance in the background.
You all have the money.
Ha